Hello guys, I am in tea estate in Ooty. In this video, we explore tea estate, tea factory and chocolate factory. This is the process of making the chocolate.
Carefully packaged, ready to delight our customers with benchmark signature quality. Over time, as the demand for our samples grew, we listened to our customers and decided to take a big step forward. To meet the increasing requests, we have expanded our production by upgrading the larger machines and creating more space. This expansion allows us to
Red, naan. This is benchmark chocolate. Come guys. Now we are going to tea factory. Guys, these are tea leaves.
This making the CTC black tea processor. First the tea leaf selecting the tea garden, first hand plucking. Second weathering process. This yellow color trough is the weathering trough. Full remove the moisture after making the softness. And the tea leaf directly loading this machine. This is CTC machine. Crushing, tearing, curling the small pieces of the granules. The last big rolling machine to our fermentation. The tea color, smell, the aroma, strong always changing, the natural. After going the down, first dried, second grading, quality checking and packing. Totally 8 processes 10 hours.
போய் இதாடி போய் இடேனா
அப்படியே சிங்கிள் லைன்ல வாங்க.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬರ್ಚೋನು
டீ தூள் வேணுங்களா? டீ போடுமா? நார்மல் டீ,
chocolate tea,
சாக்லேட் டீ, green tea, black tea.
chocolate tea.
powders. Cardamom tea, masala tea, dust tea, lemon tea, instant ginger tea, masala tea, herbal tea. Now we enter in tea factory. Anjana? Sales counter. Chocolate counter. Handcrafted chocolates available here.
Handcrafted chocolate by Benchmark. Benchmark handcrafted chocolates. Strawberry truffles. Butterscotch. Blueberry truffles. milk fruit and nuts,
ಒಂದು ಬೋಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿನ ಬರೋದು
white fruit, dark fruit and nut, blueberry pudding, Valentine chocolate, Arabian dates, roasted almonds, white almond, dark truffles, raspberry choco, black forest truffle, milk hazelnut, raspberry, dark hazelnut, blueberry, walnut.
If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.